dollies, today I'm going to show you how to make this bunny headpiece just in time for Easter or spring. Yeah, this is super easy to make. You can get most of the stuff at Dollar Tree or Walmart, or if you have a craft store, I went to Hobby Lobby because it was one-stop shop kind of thing. Also, the felt is going to be cheaper at Walmart and Hobby Lobby because it's only 25 cents to 39 cents there. Let's just get right into it. So what you're gonna need is some felt, some like fake fur. You can get all this at Hobby Lobby like I said, or you can get the fur at Dollar Tree, you can get the ribbon at Dollar Tree, you can get the glue sticks at Dollar Tree, and you can get the felt at Dollar Tree, but I recommend getting it at Walmart because it's only 25 cents. What you're gonna do is cut the felt in half and then cut it in half again, or you can just go by my measurements, which is 11 inches in length and 2 inches in width. I measured the ribbon because I want to do it crisscross, and it's about 2.5 inches, but you can actually make this however you like and however short you would like, depending on how much you angle the ribbon. But after that, I cut 10 of these. You might need more or less depending on how you would like to style your headband, but I did 10, and I just kind of laid them across each other like this and kind of laid them out to see how I would like it, and then I started to glue them on. Also, pro tip, make sure you get a lighter and singe the ends of your ribbon so it doesn't fray, but be very careful not to burn it. Just barely get the flame near the end of the ribbon and it will seal it. When you're done with that, you're going to take your fur and you're going to kind of cut it into a teardrop shape. It's 4 inches long and about 2 inches wide at the bottom. And then you're going to taper it up at the top and make it smaller so it looks like an ear. Make sure you cut on a fold so you'll have 2 pieces to glue together. I cut it on a fold, but then I ended up cutting it in 2 anyway, but it will be a lot better if it's still attached at the top. So you'll cut on the fold downwards and back up so your ear will still be attached. Anyways, I glued these together. And then after you're done gluing it, you can also go around and trim up the edges so it looks better, which I also did. Then I'm going to cut some trimming ribbon, the same length as my headband, 11 inches, and make sure you glue your trimming ribbon on before you put your ears on. Now you're going to glue your ears on. Make sure you put enough glue so it doesn't just stick to the fur, and press down really firmly so it will stick. Now you're going to take some ribbon. I used the little ribbon because I think it looked better with this, and you're going to make it as long or short as you like. I used the rest of my ribbon and I folded it in half and I snipped it so it would be the same length. And then you're going to glue it on like right underneath the ears on the back side of your headband. Now you could stop here if you would like, but I decided I wanted to put bows at the tops of the ears. So what you're going to do is make 2 loops and then cross them, and then you're just going to get a little tiny bit of hot glue and glue it on the back and then between the 2 lines where they cross. And you're going to take another little piece of ribbon and you're going to wrap it around the middle of the loops so it looks like a little bow. And now your headband is all complete. I think this came out pretty neat. It looks pretty well made, and it literally only took like 5 minutes to make. Especially if you prep the cutting beforehand, you can literally just assemble it in no time. You could very easily make multiple of these in multiple different colors for your friends. Okay, I think this is my favorite headpiece I've made so far out of all the ones I've made. I've made a strawberry one, I've made that pink one over there. I think I made another one. If I did, I'll put it right here. But this bunny one, I think, came out really good. And it was super easy. Like you saw, it took like 5 minutes. I recommend you make one of these. It's such a cute headband. Also, you don't have to put the ties on the sides, and you could put clips on it and use it instead. Also, I have big plans to make a Cutecore themed and sweets themed clips and headbands and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you have any suggestions of stuff you would like me to make for cheap and easy, put them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye-bye.